Special thanks to the provincial government of Bohol, headed by Governor Aris Omentado. Palakpakan mo na! Inubanan sa... What's this? Please bear with me, hindi po, pasensya nyo na po kami, hindi po kami marunong Bisaya, pero we'll try our best, ha? Inubanan sa iyang kapikas sa serbisyo wa nailain po Vice Governor Dionisio Victor Balite. Palakpakan tayo! Sana nabigkas ko po ng maayos. Ayan. Of course, this is in partnership with the local government unit of Calape, led by Honorable Attorney Julius Cesar F. Herrera. Magpalakpakan na! And the ASP members of LGU Calape to Kagawad Yudi Ruizol, Kagawad D. Zulueta, and Kagawad Attorney Roldan Damalerio. Palakpakan po tayo! And also, I would also like to thank ABS-CBN Anchor Ramil Ernest Herrera. Maraming salamat po. Ito susunod namin kanta. If you know the words, help us sing along. Here we go. Ayan, sa mga nakikinig ng May Gosa dito, sana nakaabot dito yung tugtog ni May Gosa. If you know the words, help us sing along.